I've been sneezing all morning. I mean, if I have a talk with you know who. Welcome to VLOGMAS day. Wow. Woo, we're at day 12. Hands please. Thank you Lord for waking us up this morning. We pray you may continue to guide and protect and keep us safe. In your name I pray. Amen. So wait, Javi alone know the prayer? What? Alright, sit back everybody. We have to put on our seatbelts. What? So the people on the vlog are ensuring you guys' safety. So they're telling you guys you must always be strapped up, which you are most of the time, but they don't like when it come across them shoulders. So usually it's like across their tummy. So Jamir, I want you to get that one, put it on please. Javi, put on yours. Zuriel,
Jerry, put your mom.
no, you're gonna put on yours yourself, right? Because safety first. So tell the viewers that they don't have to worry about you guys because you know we're good. Come. So guys, did you know that a long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible says, Mary's born child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Did you guys know that? Did you know that Jesus was born on Christmas Day? Who knew that Jesus was born on Christmas Day? Zuri, you knew that? Okay, where was Jesus born? In where? In Bethlehem. Good job, Jamir. So Jesus was born in Bethlehem in a manger or a stable where they keep like animals. That's where he was born. And his mother's name was? And his father is? Good job. Zuri know about our little Christmas story. Them, you know, as she go on, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, I know you know too, but you didn't answer, my love.
Yeah,
So,
because I didn't want to say.
okay, baby, no problem. So, when we celebrate Christmas, do you know that we're really celebrating the birth of Jesus?
I didn't know.
Yeah, it's not about the presents, it's not about the food, it's not about any of that. Okay? That's just
God.
yes, and Jesus, because he was born on Christmas Day, like the song said. And when I was a kid, I used to feel the Christmas spirit all the time. Do you guys know what the Christmas spirit is?
No.
Is when so the Christmas spirit basically is when you feel, you know, a sense of warmth inside. You're so happy when Christmas comes around, and you know, you see all of the Christmas festivities like the lights and stuff like that. Like back in the day, guys, we used to really feel the Christmas spirit. But I guess over time Christmas became a business model, or you know, strictly business, where people think that they have to spend a lot of money on gifts and stuff like that. So I think that Christmas has lost its true meaning. But when I was a child, I remember I had one of my most memorable Christmas experiences was when I was about 9 years old, I think. And I think that's the first time we got a Christmas tree. And it was a small Christmas tree. They decorated it and it was on the veranda. And there were pepper lights everywhere. And I just remember being so happy. Like that feeling, I don't think will ever leave me. I was just so happy for Christmas. And of course, I'm gonna remember my gifts. I got a doll and I got a tea set. People, every day I get up and make tea. Oh, and I got an oven. That was this whole kitchen set. So I used to cook fake food, right? Make fake tea and I'm like a tea set, and it was like real ceramic cups and saucers and stuff like that. And I had it for the longest while until my little sister came and mashed it up. But I remember that Christmas we went to Grand Market, and Grand Market was a thing, and they had the whole tree lighting. When I tell you guys, I don't know, I was just in awe of everything. Yes, we went to church and you know they told us the story, the nativity story about Jesus and his birth and the wise men and all of that. But most of all, I remember just feeling super happy and just basking in everything Christmas. But after that, I don't know what happened. I guess, as I say, the money thing, and you know, you don't have money for the certain things, so it's like the vibe just broke when at Christmas time. I guess with JPS bill, people start put up pepper lights because JPS not going too bad. So it's like Christmas began to dwindle down and it just became this thing. I don't know what to describe it as. So this year, I was like, it's been too long since I felt the Christmas spirit, so I rallied the troops, right boys?
Right.
And I let them help me decorate. I literally enlightened them about what the true meaning of Christmas. I tried to do a lot of fun activities with them, such as baking. Remember, we baked cookies. So I just want them to have as good as a memory as I had. It doesn't have to be the same because you know things and times change, but I just want them to feel the warmth and feel the Christmas spirit because it's a joyous feeling, and I would hope that everybody gets a chance to experience the true meaning of Christmas and just the feeling overall and the experience, and just be grateful, guys, because a lot of people don't even live for see this Christmas. So the fact that we're here means we are blessed and we just have to give thanks. So I'm just entering this season being super grateful. I remember watching Kimberly's YouTube video because Kimberly's doing Vlogmas as well. Like, you guys should check out her channel. I'm gonna link it right here. Her Vlogmas series is bomb as usual. Well, I think this is her first year doing Vlogmas, but her vlogs overall are usually good. So she was doing a whole wish list. So she was like, what do you guys have on your wish list this year? And to be honest, guys, when I sat and I thought about it, I really don't have anything on my wish list. I am just so blessed to have life, my family, good health. I'm in a position where my mental is somewhat intact. It's not as bad as it used to be. So all of those things are blessings in itself. It's intangible, but tangible things don't really do it for me anymore. I could add all the luxury designer items, the this, the that. It would do nothing for me. Honestly speaking, it would do nothing for me. So I'm just giving thanks, guys, and I want you guys to all take this season to reflect upon your blessings, give thanks for them, and you know, welcome new blessings for the new year. So that's all I have to leave with you this morning. I drop off these kiddies, guys. I go bed so late last night, so late because I was up editing. So maybe when I get back home, I'm gonna grab a little nap, catch a little nap. So I'll catch back in you guys. You understand the story I was mentioning a while ago? You understand what mommy means by feeling the Christmas spirit?
No.
Who said no? Javier, don't understand this Christmas spirit. You don't feel happy when it comes to Christmas time. You see all the lights. You didn't know that? That's okay, baby. Mommy will ensure that you have a wonderful Christmas. Don't worry about it, okay? Don't worry about it. So Jamir says he's not feeling the Christmas spirit, guys. So I'm gonna have to amp it up a little so he can feel the Christmas spirit, okay? See y'all. Alright, guys, so I'm back in now, and a long time I'm not plugging them lights here, you know. As a girl who is spreading the Christmas cheer, voila! So I am just back in and I'm gonna make some breakfast this morning. We don't really have a lot of breakfast food right now, to be honest. We just have like sausage and them something. Not even egg gonna have. Because apparently there's an egg shortage, so we have to work around it because the boy them love them egg. If you hear some love song are playing in the background, Mr. Man, I get ready for work and look like him in love. So I beer love song play. As I say, a beer sausage we have. Sausage and beer tin food. Oh, but wait, I have other sausage. Hold on. Alright, so I have these bad dogs, and guys, these are sold in the supermarket. If you're a bad dog fan and you just, you know, you can't wait for go like Devanos, or look, if you see a little bad dog kiosk, you can grab these. We got them in Shoppers Fair. They come in a pack of 4, so this is it. We had 2 yesterday, so but I'll just thaw them 2 here and make like a bad dog sandwich. We don't have like hot dog bread, but we have regular bread, so that can work. That works. Bless me. But yeah, guys, that's the pre for the morning. I've been sneezing all morning. I mean, if I have a attack with you know, oh my god. I'm just kidding, guys. Don't pay me no mind. But yeah, I've been sneezing all morning. Usually at this point or this time of the year, like winter season, my allergies usually act up. I'm also asthmatic, so that usually act up too. What your problem? Why are you listening? Oh, your ear. Your ear of me sneeze? Yeah, cause why me I sneeze? When I sneeze, them say Anthony your milk, you know, so you have to check your milk, you see me? Check the milk. Me good, that you say. That's what they always say, you know? I'm not pay them no mind. So I usually season up my bad dog. I use a little badia. I use black pepper and some adobo. Sometime. This I done, so let me not. So I'm just I use them 2 here. I'm gonna cut it in half. So I usually just slit it right down the middle. Don't try this at home, kids. Oh man, this look like it is tough bad. This is a whole arm workout. So yeah, let's cut it in 2 pieces. Turn on the stove. And this takes like less than 5 minutes to make, guys. About, yeah, 5 minutes thereabout. Did I cut myself? Oh my god. Well, it's not that bad. So I'm telling you, don't try them something at home. It ain't safe. It ain't safe in these streets, bro. So yeah, guys, plans for today. Do I have any plans for today? Not really. I was supposed to go on the road today because I have a couple orders I'm trying to sort out. Watch me on. The fly them still not leave. Spirit the places today. They're still here. Why? I don't know. So yeah, I was going to go to the fabric store today, but they still don't have everything I need. And I don't see the point of going to get some things and then having to go back, especially this week because I'm very busy this week. So I just want to make one thing and go one time and call it a day. So until those things are ready, I'm not leaving my yard. Get me? But I want to do some sewing today, guys. Well, not today, but once I get the fabric. So the rest of this week will literally be dedicated to my sewing projects and getting everything ready that I have in inventory that I want to like push out for my year-end sale. Because you know, at this point in time, the sales are, you know, it's basically sale season. So I usually have a big Christmas sale, and this year I'll be participating in Market at the Lawn. So I'm also bringing some stuff there as well, you know, to sell at a discounted rate. So which day the vlog here I go? I think you guys should be seeing this vlog before I head to the event. It's gonna be on a Sunday, so I implore you guys to come out to Market at the Lawn. It will be at Devon House in Half a Tree, Kingston area, thereabouts. So I'd love if you guys came by and supported my brand, Club Couture JA. I'll pop up all the goodies that we have. Let me pop them up over here. Swimsuits, cover-ups, casual wear, special occasion wear, you name it. You can also customize these pieces. If you see a design that you like, you can customize them in a desired color, a desired print, and I'll get them to you via Nutsford Express, because we do offer island-wide delivery, and we also offer international delivery as well via DHL. So if you're overseas and you're watching this, girl, I got you. Anywhere you are, the Caribbean, Canada, UK, US, I got you. Just hit me up. I'll leave a link to my website right here. It's www.clubcoutureja.com. So check it out, yeah. So, oh my god, guys, when I could tell me say the pot are burn up. They are chat on the pot are burn up. No, sir, so only see the smoke, man. We're not Judas. Judas. So never you look for body, yeah? Very look for the body, yeah? Just to give it a little more season, a little more flavor. It's already seasoned, but I have to add my little special cheese. Usually I go in with a couple ingredients when I make the bad dog there. So let's put like 2 or 3. Yes, let's do 3. And then I go ahead and I add some ketchup. Are you ready now? Almost. Basically finish some mustard. Come out the mustard. It's basically a hot dog. And then I go in with some sweet relish. And this is the key to a bussin' bad dog, guys. Bread finish, but you know, we got our little sandwich here, and this is how it's looking. So this is breakfast. I'm just gonna have some tea with my bad dog. So I'm making this little energy drink. So it's basically a, what is it? Vitamin / energy hydration mixture. Oh, it open. Oh, so hard. So look at this. You just pour it in some water and it begins to fizz up. This is how it looks. And it tastes okay. Also gonna add some creatine to this. Just a little. And mix it up. Eat it! Eat it!
How do you fix this one?
Me? No, I fix it again.
Oh, I just say you fix it on another shirt. No, the white shirt. Yes.
Them tight. Come and see me, Forest. Oh, yeah, no. Oh, I see.
Don't cut them.
White is that?
Rub it in.
It's bling bling.
I don't think no man.
Alright, it's good.
I don't think no man will put in there. Yeah, man.
You really love. Go on, man. Let's relax. There you go. Your jacket is in the back. Mr. Guys, one epa pasta. Tell me why I was about to get ready to go and pick up the boys. Alright, so before I even decided that I was gonna take a bath, I had a couple of dishes that I used this morning that I said, you know, let me go wash up the dishes before I leave. I went in the kitchen, right? No water. So I say, Zine, me not be it. So I said, alright, sometimes the low pipe in the bathroom will run even when there is no water elsewhere in the house. No water in the bathroom either, people. I have a draw for your basin. It's just so funny how we are forced to go back to our roots on a daily basis, because me can't tell when last me bathed out a basin. Probably the last time was when the storm came, and that was a couple months ago. But people, I feel like I'm gonna be there now. I don't know something about water that ain't running. If it ain't running, I don't feel fresh and clean. So that was my saga for the day. There is no water at home still. I did plan to cook dinner this evening, but how am I gonna cook if there is no water? And I know I'm not cookie already, you know, so this just broke my little vibes, my little cooking vibes. But Jamir say he wants spaghetti and meatballs, guys. So I'm gonna do some Christmas inspired spaghetti and meatballs. Tell me what's so Christmas inspired, bro. Regular old spaghetti and meatballs. Unless I'm gonna make like the spaghetti green and the meatballs red. I don't know, but we'll figure it out. Oh, I need gas as well. I don't want them picnic coming and I can't come at about. Mommy, you're at 2 bars or you're at 1 bar. Got them all out for them, man. Is that the car? I gotta left them on the road. I'm having yogurt, guys, and I accidentally left the spoon. Can't even show no me I use the yogurt. Shame kill me. I don't know how I left the spoon. But yeah, this is my local lunch. I'm gonna eat from morning. I grab Javi. Then get the rest of kiddies. Then head to the supermarket. So that's all I have to do today. Let's go. Careful. Thank you, my little gentleman. Let's go. Go. Ow!
I'm sorry, I was up table. And Mom, we need more mold.
No, we need a basket.
We need more mold to do it right now. No, we don't need mold. Yes, we do, right, Mommy?
This weekend we get Malta. Come, we're going this side. So we're currently in the freezer section and I'm looking for minced beef. But I'm not seeing any minced beef. I'm seeing every other beef. But the minced one, I might have to ask them around the back because usually as I put it out, it's gone. So maybe that's it. You see these are pork chops and leg roasts.
I know the pork chop.
You like pork chops? No?
But in the game, when you kill a pig,
Yeah?
they drop an item that is a pork chop. Wait, where's Jamir?
Where's Jamir going? Listen to me, young man. Stay right here. We're looking at pork chops.
Huh?
Let me ask somebody for some. Hello. Work here.
People? I like those.
Alright, Jamir. Saturday we'll get the rest of stuff. Come. This is just a little top up. What you see that you want, Zuriel? She's buying something for you. That's what you want? Sure, no problem. Come on the way, baby. Go this way. Put it in the trolley.
See blue
Oh, Jamir, can it be other? No, not at all. That'd be crazy to do that. Come on, the lady. I cannot manage one much less 3. You see, this is the one is 3 in 1. This is the one is 3 in 1.
I am 5 years old.
That's right, you're a bright boy.
Come back.
I'm only 5 and my brother is 6.
Yes. Alright, take care. Come back. Some macaroni. I like these thin macaronis. What do you think? Or spaghetti rather. So these are very thin and nice, but I don't know this brand. It's Getty's brand. Okay, we can get that one then.
Yeah, these are Getty's or we get them.
It's just $225, so that's not bad. Usually I get the Eve, but I don't see the fine ones. Them just have the big ones here. So we have the macaroni.
Mommy, I'm putting it back.
Yeah, but I don't know what to do with that one. It says it's angel hair pasta. I've never had this before. I've always seen it, but I don't recall having angel hair pasta. Let me know if anybody has tried this and let me know how it tastes. Maybe I'll pick it up next time.
I can lift it.
Alright, no fighting over the trolley. We're gonna go cash out. So we got the boys a little snack top up. Should I ask somebody when we can go get minced beef at this one? I got the spaghetti. I have oh crap, I don't have the ingredients in it. Oh my god, Shanice, you see, this is why you can't take kids into the supermarket because I literally forgot to get the oats. I would have the minced beef, so I don't know how the spaghetti and meatball are gonna go, but we'll figure it out. There's a meat shop close by, is there not? Oh my god, let me make some calls and figure this out. Remember, you're not pressing the gas in here, you're just staring. You're just staring, okay? Javi, sit down, please.
No.
Disclaimer, we're on the inside road, we're not on a main road, we're on an avenue. So yeah, Jamir is the driver for today. Miss Jamir, I beg of you.
I fell.
Jamir, why are you shouting? Jamir, you have to keep the steering wheel straight.
Jamir, look.
So let me straighten it for you and then give it to you. So
Jamir?
this is straight, alright? So you have to look in front of you. Alright?
Jamir.
And stay straight.
Jamir, I'm going to rip mommy's butt.
Jamir, you have to look in front of you. You cannot. Alright. Jamir is not driving anymore because he's letting go of the steering wheel to drink water. Oh my god. Jamir never again you're not coming around here to drive. So how can you be driving, alright? And drinking water at the same time? I don't know where it is that you're going.
Oh.
Where you want to turn? Here? So turn then the boss man.
I can't turn.
Jamir, you want to turn in the wall? You want us to go in the wall? You know, that's the reverse. Jamir, take a turn too late. Take a turn late, my love. Alright, hold on.
Wait.
Alright, there we go. This way. Got it. Perfect.
Be one naughty boy.
Very naughty.
Daddy, mommy said to be one naughty boy.
I'm burning up.
You to be a naughty boy.
Oh,
You're
naughty.
still a naughty boy.
Yeah.
Alright, so I want you guys to get your stuff. So we're back in just in time for our yearly delivery of Christmas cake. And sorry, look at this big ass jug of sorry. We actually got 3 of these and 2 cakes. Like, I don't know if I'm still gonna bake because we got these 2, but we'll see. Boys, go and take off your clothes, please. Why you hurt his finger, Boobsy?
I want to take him up, but he broke my finger.
Look at it if it's broken. Stretch it out. Hush, let me kiss it for you. You hurt yourself to where you hurt. Your knee, come and make kiss the knee. Come. There you go.
Hi guys.
It's your girl Shanice, and today I'm here with.
Yeah, and this is called my beautiful one then.
Yeah, but you have to tell them your name, my love. You have to
My
tell them your name.
name is W. And my name is Jamir, but don't say the end of my name.
Okay, cool. So today we're going to play a festive game. It's called Who Knows Me Better. So I'll be asking you boys some questions to see who knows me better. Does Javi know me better or does Jamir know me better? Who you think knows mommy better?
Me. Yeah, I love you, Mom.
Well, let's see, guys. All right, so first question. Question number 1. What is my favorite color? You have to press the buzzers to lock in your answer. What is my favorite color? Wait, don't shout it out. Don't shout it out. I'll acknowledge you and then you can answer. So Jamir buzzed first.
I think your favorite color is pink.
Good job!
I knew it.
Alright, you got to buzz first. Alright, so Jamir is at 1 point.
I knew it.
Let's put 1 point on the clock. Alright, listen to calm down, okay? No miserableness, it's just a game.
See, I did get the correct first try.
Good job. Javi, I know you know because both my boys know me so well. Question number 2. Remember, ready for the buzzers?
Yeah.
How old am I? Stop. Don't shout it out. Let me call you and then you answer. Javi pressed it first. Javi, go ahead. How old am I?
31.
Good job. That's why go ahead.
You got one.
Listen. You shout it out, people can hear your answers. I don't want you to shout it out. Just press the buzzer and wait for me to tell you who pressed the buzzer first. Alright, so Javi got that point. So Javi's at 1 and Jamir is also at 1. So next question. What is my favorite food? Don't shout. Javi pressed it first. Javi, go ahead. What's my favorite food?
Wait, favorite food?
Yes.
Let me just
Think. You have 5 seconds.
Okay, 5. Favorite one. Okay.
Let him think.
Okay.
Go.
Chicken and rice.
Chicken and rice. Jamir, what's your answer? That's incorrect. Jamir, what's my favorite food?
Rice first, and then.
Rice and what? We don't even like rice. So we're gonna write this one.
Okay, then what did?
The correct answer is actually pork. Rice and peas and pork, anything with
We got one
pork
with
chops.
rice, right?
Yeah, you got the look of rice, but
So we get.
no, there's nothing else to eat with pork. So I guess it'll be pork and rice. Guys, next question. What is my middle name? Don't shout, don't shout. Javi, press the buzzer. Go ahead, what's my middle name? You have a middle name, you have a middle name. What's mine? We always hear daddy
Jellison?
call me. Jellison?
No!
Jellison! Wait, calm down, calm.
Is it Jody?
Yeah!
I can't do it with Jody.
Well, it's really Jodian, but I'll give it to you. Jody for sure. Javi, get up and stop stressing yourself. You know my name. Who's Joshi? Okay, so next question. What is my mother's name? No shouting. Javilu, go ahead. What's my mother's name?
I'm gonna go with grandma.
Grandma. But you know that grandma has a name? You don't know her real name, Jamir? Do you know the answer? What's grandma's real name? You want to ask me a question or you want to ask me? People tell you asking me what my grandma's name is. Jamie, that's cheating. Sit down.
You
sit,
won't
sit.
tell you.
Right, so the answer is Carol. Did you know that?
No.
You didn't. You don't know your granny name? I'm gonna tell her. I hope she's watching this video. Next question. Ready? Sit up. I think you guys are gonna know this one. What job does mommy do?
Sewing.
Make videos!
Well, technically you're both right, but I have to give it to Jamir who said sewing because fashion design is my core business right now. Check out Couture_JA on Instagram. Just plug in it.
Video.
And videos. Alright, so you're both right, guys. Content creator and fashion designer. I'm gonna give y'all, okay? Next question. How old was I when I had my first child? Jamir, how old was I when I had my first baby? Alright, Jamir, go ahead.
29.
29, incorrect. Javi, what's your answer?
30.
30? Really? So the answer is 25, alright? So your next question. What is my shoe size? Wait, stop looking at my foot. Looking at my foot? What, tell me what size shoes I wear?
1, 2, 3, 4.
They're literally counting my
7.
toes. I don't know.
7.
Come back up.
Is it 7?
So what were you counting on my feet?
I was counting your
Then just I touch my foot and I count. So come, Jamie, your answer is 7.
24.
Come up, come back up. Javi, it's between 1 and 10. No, but
1 and 10.
the embarrassment
1 and 10.
24.
1 and 8.
Incorrect. So the answer is actually.
I'm 10 again.
Go on, what do you say?
17?
7.
The answer is 9. I'm a size 9. Sit down.
I just said 9.
Yeah, but you said late. You should have said 10. Next question. How many questions you got so far? I don't know, but next question. How many siblings do I have?
2.
Wait. Javi said 2. Go ahead, 2. Which 2? Who are my siblings? You guys are my kids. Alright, so I need to explain what siblings are. Siblings, you guys are siblings. So your siblings is like a brother and a sister.
Oh.
So how many brothers or sisters does mommy have? Sit up.
I know.
Javi's answering first. Go, he pressed the buzzer first.
Okay.
No, he didn't know what siblings mean, baby. He thought it meant
Wait, what
kids.
was it again?
Brother and sisters.
Yeah, how many sister and brother you have?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. How
Put over
many
there.
brother and sister you have when you're little?
No, 2. Don't matter when.
Now?
Yes. How many?
Mommy, after the question, I am leaving this video.
Why?
Because it's too hard.
But Jamie, it's just a game. You're taking yourself too serious.
Okay, I want your
Let your brother answer. He's 6.
2.
6 and 2. To be honest, guys, not even me know the answer to the question. Because I have a lot of siblings.
Oh,
some of
I
which
mean a 10,
know.
10, 10.
But let me tell you how many I do know of. I know of 4.
Okay.
I have 4 siblings. So you have one who is Jamir, and Jamir, you have one who is Javi. Alright? Next final question, guys, because Jamir says he's over this game. Final question.
Oh yeah.
Buzzers, get your buzzers ready. Final question. What is my favorite thing to do?
Make videos.
So,
My favorite thing to do is to sleep, actually. So you guys are both okay, guys. So we've done some rough checks, and based on hypothetical winnings, it is a tie between Javi and Jamir.
and we're gonna do one flying quickie.
You want to do a final tiebreaker question? Okay, they want to do a tiebreaker question, guys. So anybody who answers this question correctly,
I'm gonna tell you.
wait, don't tell me what to ask. Jamir, that's cheating.
I'm gonna tell
Okay, then down. So the tiebreaker question is, who is my crush? Calm down, Javi. Go ahead. Who is my crush?
Where's the crush?
Javi, you know what a crush is?
Some love.
Yes.
Okay.
Win.
Daddy.
What's your answer, Jamir?
Daddy.
You both are correct.
I knew it!
So guys, that is it for this little
Mommy knew it!
Q&A. You guys are both winners in my books, right? Thank you so much for participating. Good job.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Tell me
Alright,
what?
pack up.
Right?